parade is today. I was gonna go, but I'm just way too tired, so I probably won't make it there. And also, it's 28 degrees. Like, it's 28 degrees where I'm at, if you guys can see that. So it's just no way that I'm gonna be sitting out there. Yeah, I'll probably just stay in the house today and show you guys what I do on my day off. Also, I have some more tea to tell you guys about my channel. Just please keep on watching. Let me show you guys part of the gift that my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day, because he already told me what it was, so I already know. So I'm gonna show you guys. I got my first pair of Yeezys. Yeah! I got my first pair of Yeezys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys which ones I got. These are the ones that I got. They are so freaking gorgeous. They're just everything. I wear a size 7, which surprised me. These are a size 7 in men's, and I'm usually like a 6 to a 6.5. So I think they run a little bit small, but they're so decent. I got them from a site by the name of Flight Club, and they are awesome. I will leave the link down below.
I found you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to.
Okay guys, so if you hear that loud noise in the background, that's the washing machine that's right next to the guest bathroom. And that's where I'm at right now because it has the best lighting. I'm about to straighten my hair. Okay, so I wrapped my hair last night. As you can see, it's like all just scruffy. I got dressed and did a little bit of cleaning. I did the basic stuff like laundry, sweeping, and stuff like that. I didn't really do too much overboard, but I got on my Yeezys right now. As you can tell, motherfuckers ain't never had shit. Like, they put it right on. Can you tell me about Martin Luther King one more time?
Yeah. I have a dream by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up, realize the true meaning of this creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal.
Oh, he gonna make me cry. Okay guys, so I just got done like fixing my hair. I'm about to put my jacket on and I'm going to walk to Chick-fil-A. So guys, I'm walking to Chick-fil-A right now. Chick-fil-A is hella far. It's not that far, but it's like a 5-minute drive in the car and then a 10-minute walk, but I walk hella fast, so yes. So I finally made it to my destination. It's all the way over there. And I'm walking in the grass with brand new Yeezys. Yes, this is my life.
Loving. Don't stop, won't stop. See it popping, you're buzzing. To the top, won't flop. Like I can't help it.
So I just got done eating my Chick-fil-A. I'm about to do some editing, I guess, and then probably take a nap. So guys, I wanted to tell you guys real fast, I will be doing a giveaway in this video. What it is all throughout the year of 2018, every time I post a video or every other time I post a video, it could be once a week, it could be twice a week, it could be 3 times a week, it could be however many times I want it to be a week. But the thing about it is I'm not going to put it in the title. So you have to watch the videos to know if I do a giveaway. It'll be randomly placed in some part of the video to let you know that there's a giveaway. And basically, it could be a gift card to any store that you want. It could be some random thing that I just love to use all the time. So, and the rules are very simple to enter. Just be subscribed, turn on your post notifications, thumbs up every single video of mine that you watch, and make sure you're very, very active. I'm going to be paying attention to the people who are most active on my channel. Those are going to be the people that I picked randomly to win the giveaway. But what is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm taking this vlog into day 2 only because, like, Yesterday was really, really boring. The footage and it was just like, seriously, it's nothing popping. So today I'm at my mom's house. If you don't know this, I work at the airport, and my mom's house is way closer to the airport than my boyfriend's house. On days that I work, I stay at my mom's house, and on days that I don't work, I stay in Jersey. So today I'm not really doing anything. It's like almost 4 o'clock. My sister just called me asking me that I want to go to the movies to see 50 Shades Free. Yes, I do, so I am going. Y'all, so my mom knows I love all things gummies. I don't really eat a lot of candy. She went out and bought me this big box and surprised me. And I guys were like, this is a corny ass gift. Why are you fucking telling us? Because I'm excited. Guys, I'm excited. So I just got to my sister's house, my sister and her girlfriend's house, and I'm waiting for them so we can go to the movies on the hill of Thirsty Soddy.
Go check out my channel.
Oh, self-plug. What's your channel name?
Side tour time.
So we're getting ready to go to the movies after we drop Soddy off.